My bike check. This is my bike. That's my friend's. We'll start with mine. I have Odyssey Aeronauts space bars with Odyssey CFL stem. I have shitty Diamondback forks, but I currently just got new S&M pitchforks that I cannot use for like another week. I have a BSD front street hub with a BSD Jersey barrier hub guard laced to an Alienation rim with a demolition momentum tires. I ride 2 kink light pegs for a back wheel, just some shitty ass stock fit hub with a Alienation rim. Right now I have a kink seat, which I just got new BSD seat. Riding a stock fit frame, just got a new BSD frame. Riding Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, that's been pretty good, knowing that I've had them for about a year, but I just got new pedals too. I have a Animal Sprocket Balboa sprocket that's on Eastern cranks, and that's about it for my bike. Now we're gonna do my friend's bike.
Drayton, this is my bike check. I have Colt D-Hard grips with just stock Colt bar ends, Clean Clanks bars, Shadow Strike top load stem, MSA impact headset, stock fit forks. My Fit Shiv 2s will be here tomorrow. I have a Fit tire in the front, and I have a Revenge rim laced to just a stock fit hub, G-Sport hub guard, yellow Shadow little ones peg. I have a Wave 2 frame. I have a Shadow Conspiracy PC seat with Stolen Team 2.5 cranks with shitty Animal Hamilton pedals that don't even spin at all.
Hey fucker, I just got some.
They suck.
Suck my dick.
Shadow Scream sprocket with a Shadow half-link chain with another stock fit back hub laced to a Revenge back rim, a Duo Stunner red wall, and I think that's it.